Welcome to Municipal Tractor University, the ultimate self-service platform for trackless vehicles, machines, and attachments. This free, all-in-one online resource is available 24/7, 365 days a year for Trackless MT operators, service providers, and dealers. There are a number of ways to get to Municipal Tractor University. First and foremost, you can visit MTU directly by entering tracklessvehicles.com/MTU into your browser. You can also access MTU by visiting the Trackless Vehicles website and toggling Service Resources under the For Owners menu item. Alternatively, scroll down on the home page and click the yellow Visit MTU button. If you have an iPhone, you can download the Kanto DAM app to access MTU. Enter tracklessvehicles.kanto.com/v/MTU to gain access to the platform. Most newly manufactured Trackless MTs feature a QR code decal inside the door of the cab. Operators can scan this QR code with their smartphone and be taken directly to the MTU platform. If you have an older model Trackless MT, or if your MT is missing this decal, you can order a decal replacement free of charge. Simply toggle Decal Order Form under the For Owners menu of our website, or visit tracklessvehicles.com/decal-order-form and complete the form today. On Municipal Tractor University, you'll find tractor and attachment manuals, parts catalogs, specifications, how-to guides, and brochures. Additionally, you can find video tutorials to learn how to hook up and operate a variety of trackless attachments.
Today we're going to talk about installing a 74-inch front flail on a Trackless MT. You will see on this tractor it is
MTU's Smart Document Text tool allows you to search for any keywords found within trackless documents. Simply enter a keyword or phrase into the search bar. The results will be populated for you. Municipal Tractor University is your go-to self-service platform for trackless vehicles, machines, and attachments. For more information about Trackless Vehicles products, or to connect with a member of the Trackless team directly, visit tracklessvehicles.com.